Alright guys, so in this video, we're actually going to be creating a website with ClickFunnels. So this is really cool because as new users of ClickFunnels start using ClickFunnels, they start to realize that it can do everything. Like you don't need a website, hosting service if you're using ClickFunnels. You can literally create a website in ease with ClickFunnels. And that is another reason why ClickFunnels is so awesome. So to do this, all you have to do is create another funnel, but it's named a funnel, but we're going to be creating a website in the funnel. But we can just do a classic funnel, and we'll do a custom funnel for this example, and we'll just name it, actually no, let's do website, and excuse me, and hit build funnel. And what's really cool is when you're thinking of building a website with ClickFunnels, websites for the most part usually have two things, right? They have usually the logo of the business or the logo in the top left section, and then they usually have a header and a footer. So that is pretty much what we're actually going to be doing and creating in this example. So we'll give ClickFunnels a second to actually load up. So from here, what we can do is we can just go ahead and look at a sales page. But actually, what we'll do is we'll just get a blank one. I think it will be much easier for us to actually, run through the process. So we got a blank sales page. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna select this, and then we're gonna create our website. And guys, it's honestly so cool because literally, like ClickFunnels, it does literally everything. So what's cool about this is if you're thinking about using ClickFunnels and you're kind of on the fence because you don't want to have a website and then use a funnel service, you can literally use ClickFunnels and have all of your funnels, all of your websites, all ran and all run through ClickFunnels. So we got our blank sales page here, and what we're gonna actually want to go ahead and do is it might be easier. We're just gonna delete everything on here. So from here, we're going to want to come over here and add a section, and we're gonna go full width, and we'll come over here, we'll drop it here, and then what we're actually going to want to do is add a row, and we're gonna want to choose two columns because this is going to be the top of our website. So from here, we're gonna want to include our logo and then the header. So over here, hit add new element. We'll come over here, go to image, and we're gonna want to actually select our logo. So over here, we'll click this, and then we're gonna add our logo. So what we want to do, come over here, and we'll just use one of ClickFunnels free photos. We'll type in logo, and we'll just use this one's perfect, right? We'll use Batman, and we're gonna go ahead and add image. And for example, this is going to be our logo. Then over here, we're going to want to add a navigation element. So scroll down over here, and we're looking for navigation. There it is. And voila, right? It's already starting to look a little bit like a website, right? Obviously, we'd want to, make this a little bit smaller. It is a little big over here. Look, 200. You can, move this over. Then over here, what we can actually do is we can customize this. And this is really cool. So, if you have an About Us page, you can come over here and do About Us, and it will change, right? Or if you want to do, frequently asked questions area, FAQ. Then over here, you would have to put the link URL, and what you would need to do is create another funnel in this funnel, and basically it'd be a funnel step, but then you copy the link and you paste it in here. So basically, when someone wants to view the frequently asked questions area, they would click FAQ, and they get brought to another page that you created with ClickFunnels that would be the frequently asked questions area. So this is really simple, really easy, right? And over here, what we can do is maybe we want a background color, right? So we can do something like over here, if we can go like red, right? Again, you can do pretty much anything that you want. Actually, we wouldn't want to do this. We want to use these sections. So what we want to do is remove this. Sorry about that. Come over here. And again, we can come over here. And this is the one that we want. Background color, right? We can just do a nice light gray. Perfect, right? And then again, what you're gonna want to do now is save this. So come over here where it says save, and this is because one, we're creating a website, right? So we're gonna have multiple pages on our website. So we want this on every single page. So go ahead and you hit save as personal template, excuse me, and boom, there you go. So now when you create your other pages in your website, you don't have to recreate this. It's already created for you, and all you have to do is load it. Again, over here, I forgot to mention that you can actually, if you want more than 3 sections, or if you want, only 2 sections, for example, you can come over to the advanced number of links, right? So 2, 5, or 4, right? Whatever you personally want. You can do 5, right? And again, you can do all your different websites. Now, over here, what we're actually going to want to do is create a footer as well. So we're going to do pretty much the same exact thing, but this is going to be one column, right? We don't need 2 columns. So we'll do 1 column, and on the footer, you're going to want to, have your just some basic information. So we're going to want to go ahead, and again, for the footer, we can include, some, the privacy policy. Come over here. And you could do something like copyright, your name, your business name. And then you could do like 2019, right? There's some basic stuff. And then here, again, you're going to want to actually save this as a footer. And again, if you're going to have a privacy policy page, again, super easy, right? Come over here and you can link it and create another page that is the privacy policy page. So awesome, guys. It's so amazing, everything that you can do in ClickFunnels, right? But we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this as our footer. Save as personal template, and then we're going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and save this, right? And again, you can create this website however you want, right? You can just do like a website. Again, it's okay, right? And for the website, right, you can have your logo, your header, right? A picture, then some information, right? You can make it however you want, which is really cool, and it's so simple to make in ClickFunnels. Now what we can do is actually add, the next page in our website. So we'll go ahead and hit add new step, and we just call this next. And then over here, we're going to go ahead and select a template. So we can just choose pretty much whatever template that we want. Again, you're going to customize this to however you like and however you want it to look like. So here, again, we'll just we'll head over to a sales page, and what we'll do is we'll choose this one. And again, I'm showing you guys how simple it is. And then now this page, would be your frequently asked questions page, and you would create your frequently asked questions page. But what I'm going to show you guys real quick is how easy it is to actually add the header and actually add the footer onto this page as well. Because again, we're creating a website, so everything we want to look the same, right? So on the home page of our website, we want it to look the same as on our About Us page and on our FAQ page and on all of our pages. So what we're going to want to do is come over here to sections, add section, and then you're going to come over here where it says My Sections, and again, we saved our section. So again, header, excuse me, we're going to want to come over here, and we can drop it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, we'll just do it again real quick. Add section, My Section, header, and you're going to want to drop it right here because that is where we want the header to go. And boom, guys, right? That easy, that simple. And again, down here, what you're going to want to do, add section for your footer, and come over here, My Section, and footer, and again, come down here, and the footer goes at the bottom of the page, and boom, guys, that simple. And again, this would be whatever page you create next. So guys, that is how you actually create a website in ClickFunnels, guys. It's so easy and it's so awesome, everything that you can do in ClickFunnels. It literally can do every single thing that you need for your business, and it's really awesome. So guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.